Welcome to Sunday School Made Easy with me, Rose. Today we'll be looking at a DIY classroom decoration, and this is a prayer display. I love this one. I thought it was very beautiful at the end. And if you like this type of video or many other types of videos, then consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our latest and greatest videos. Now, let's get into this video. For this craft, you'll need wooden palette, twine, tags, small wooden cloth pins, white ribbon, Chanel stem in the color brown, alphabet letters that spell out prayer, fake flowers, white apple barrel paint, paintbrush, and hot glue gun.
So here I have the square wood palette plaque that I got from Dollarama. I painted it white. Now all I'm doing is trying to add some twine that I got from Dollarama and just add it to one of the palette portions. So I got 3 of them, and I'm going to add this on, just flipping it over and using the glue gun to attach it to either side, which I am showing you here. I put some at the bottom part of the string and also on the top for both sides, so it will hold well. So I'm holding it there so it could stay. Obviously it did not, so I had to hold it a little bit longer. So I'm doing this on the other side as well. And then it falls off again, so I decided to take my scissors and help it along so it will stay. And then I did that for all 3 sides. Later on I also put some hot glue gun stuff right in the middle of the string so it would just hold. Now I'm just taking some eucalyptus flowers and adding that on with the brown Chanel stems so it could just adhere. So I just kind of adding that pipe cleaner or Chanel stem, whatever you call it, and just making sure that both sides are, twisted and put all together. So then I can add some hot glue onto that so it'll be on the top of the palette. And I also added some glue to either side of the pieces so it could just stay a little bit nicer. Now I'm just taking a bow and adding that on. Now I have this cloth pins that I used, and I also have these pieces of paper that I am adding in so that there's the prayers. And you can see I wrote the prayers at the bottom. I didn't like it, so I used these chipboard letters. I painted it a brown, and I'm just adding that at the bottom so that it says prayers on it. And this is what it looks like all together. So on the pieces of paper you can write your beautiful prayers, and you can display this in your room with all the requests for prayers, and it could be something beautiful that you can have in your classroom.